Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. These days all you see in the market are greens. So today I am going to show you a very interesting and yummy recipe using fresh green peas. First, let's make the dough. Oh, but did I tell you what we are making? We'll be making a healthy Matar Kachori. Let's take some maida, some salt, baking soda to give the kachori a nice flaky texture. Let's just mix this up. Next goes in some ghee. Let's start kneading. We'll mix the ghee up very nicely. So as you can see, it's become nice and crumbly. When you press it and make a ball, it will come like this, and when you touch it lightly, it will just fall apart. This is when you'll know that the ghee has combined well with the flour. Now it's time to add the water and prepare the dough. Our dough is ready. Let's set this aside and start with the filling. So for the filling, we'll need to grind the peas. Let's add some green chilies and some ginger. Now we'll grind it coarsely. Our green pea paste is ready. Now let's prepare the filling. To the pan, let's add some oil. Let's add some jeera, fennel seeds, some hing. Let's saute them a bit. I'm going to add some besan. The besan will give a good binding to our mixture because the peas mixture tends to turn a little soggy. Let's roast the besan for a couple of minutes. The besan has been roasted well. We'll add some haldi powder. Give it a quick mix. Now let's add the prepared peas paste. As you can see, we have grounded the peas very coarsely and not to a very fine paste. Mix this well. Now it's time to season the filling. We'll add some red chili powder, some dhania powder, garam masala and some amchur powder, salt and just a splash of water. Mix it up all together and we'll cook this filling on a very low heat till it becomes dry. The mixture has dried up. Time to add some fresh coriander leaves. Let's give it one final mix. We'll set it aside to cool down. Let's start by taking a portion of the dough. We'll flatten it a bit. We'll start flattening it by pressing the edges. We'll just stretch it a bit like this. Now let's add the filling. Take a spoonful of filling, place it in the center and then seal the edges like this. Close it well and then lightly press it and slightly flatten it with your palms. Our kachori is ready. Let's keep it on the plate. Similarly, we'll prepare the rest of the kachoris. Our kachoris are ready. It's now time to air fry them. This is our air fryer basket. I'm going to grease it with some oil just to prevent it from sticking. Let's place the kachoris. We will now air fry them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Our kachoris are ready. They are nice and golden in color. Let's plate them. Our air fried Matar Kachoris are ready. This winter season, do give these Khasta Kachoris a try and let us know in comment section how they turned out.